Whether you're a developer building data pipelines or an analyst collecting leads, Minexa.ai turns websites into structured datasets in just minutes. Today, we'll show you how to scrape education courses easily. Go to the page that contains your data. Minexa reads the fully rendered DOM in your browser and automatically prepares everything for extraction. Launch Minexa.ai. One interface, any website. Click here, and Minexa.ai scans the structure of the page, mapping how records are grouped and repeated across the layout. Nothing gets cut off at page 1. Minexa.ai detected the pagination and handles all pages from here automatically. Decide the depth here. List only grabs every item on the results page, while detail pages also open and scrape each individual record. Start with Continue. Switch to Advanced mode when the page needs an interaction to reveal the data you want. If the selection looks right, click Create Scraper and move to the next step. Every data point was detected automatically. Visible text, hidden attributes, and metadata are all there. Just pick what you need from the list or click it on the page. This includes course titles, descriptions, and related details. Click API Request to get Python code that interacts with the page before scraping. Useful when content only appears after a click or action. Consistent every time. Click Complete Configuration and your scraper will produce the same structured output on every run. Your scraper is set to go beyond page 1. All pages will be collected automatically on every run. Click to create your job. Everything else here is optional, but worth a look if you want automated or scheduled extraction. Launch Run to start extraction. Missing fields are returned as null, so outputs stay clean and database safe without guessed values. Alongside the visible fields you see here, hidden data came through too. Attributes, image URLs, and nested structures are included and returned in a format that preserves how they were originally connected on the page. Typical course details like titles, descriptions, credits, and delivery method are all captured precisely. Export your records. If detail pages were enabled, each row also includes the full content from the linked page. Run large-scale batch extraction with a single scraper. Process tens of thousands of URLs in parallel without changing a thing.